Guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set a reminder on Samsung phone. I know a lot of people don't know how to do that, but that's pretty easy and simple, right? So that's actually how I used to catch up some schedule I have and some things I have to do by creating a reminder on my phone. So all you need to do is open up your calendar. That's the first step you need to do, and click on this three horizontal line you can see above your screen right there. Click on that and you can see reminders right here. So you click on reminders, and all you need to do is you just pin on the date. Let's say, okay, let's take it to 9th, okay, because 9th is my birthday. So click on that and you add a reminder. So just put this puts all reminders right there. So okay, let's go back to this. Right, so click on the name of the title, click on, let me say, birthday. I can't even spell birthday anymore. Birthday, and you can just place and also medium of sound you want, and the time as well. You can set up the time. So I'll keep mine at 12 a.m. so you can see that. So after making sure everything is corrected and everything is correct to your satisfaction, you click on save. So once you save, you are going to get a reminder on that day and the time you fixed as well. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see my next video. Bye.